Ingress software allows the users to import the list of users from a file to the software. To be able to import the users from a file to the software, click on the Import from File, where you will be prompted to the Import from File window. At the Import from File window, you guys are able to view the sample files that you can use to import the user information to Ingress software. Click on View Sample, and the existing formats that can be imported from a file to Ingress software will be listed down with the samples. The formats are .txt, .xls or .xlsx, and .csv. As you are done viewing the sample files inside Ingress software, if you have prepared your own file to be able to import the information of the users, browse the path of the file. Select the format of the file that you are importing to the software. I have prepared a TXT file for you guys. As the file format matches the information of the Ingress software, the parsed successful message will be displayed on the software. Press OK and start matching the header information of your file to the header information of Ingress software. Once you are done matching the information of the file to the one of your software, click on Next to proceed to the user list that are obtained from the file. From the user list that is obtained from the file, you can select the users that you want to upload to Ingress software. After you have selected the users that you want to upload from the file to Ingress software, click on Read button. By pressing the Read button, a list of users with the report of how many of users has been uploaded to your software from the file will be displayed for you. Press OK and the users will appear inside the list of users in Ingress software. To remove the users from the software, click on the Remove Current User. Select the users that you want to delete from the Ingress software. If you want the same users to be deleted from the Fingertek terminals, select the terminal. Select the data of these users that you want to be deleted from the software. Click on the Remove button, press Yes, and wait for the process to be completed. As the process is completed, the users will be deleted from the software. To remove the users only from the Fingertek terminals but not from the software, click on the Remove Device User. Double-click on the terminal's name that is activated in the software. Select which users you want to delete from the terminal itself. Select which terminal you want the same user information to be deleted from. Select which information of these users you want to delete from the terminal. Click on the Remove button and wait for the process to be completed. To upload the users from Ingress software to your terminals, click on Upload User. Select the terminal that you want to upload the user to. Select the users that you want to upload to the terminals. Select the information of the users that you want to upload along with the user ID of your terminal. Click on the Upload button and wait for the process to be completed. A report of all the users that are uploaded to the device will be given at the status box here. In Ingress software, you guys are able to export the existing user list information to a file. Click on the Export User. Select the users that you want to export the information for. Select the information of the users that you want to be exported to a file with the right order. Click on the Export button. The user information can be exported to 4 different formats: .txt, .xls, .xlsx, and .csv. Select the path of the file and press Save. Once the user information is exported to the file, the Export User Successful message will be prompted on the software. If you are using a USB pen drive to download the existing user information from your terminals to Ingress software, click on the Read User from USB. Select the pen drive path. Click on the From USB. The file inside the USB that has been downloaded from the Fingertek terminal with the format of .dat will be displayed. Double click on the file. The user list that is contained inside the file will be listed down inside the user list. Select the users that you want to download from the pen drive file to your Ingress software. Select the issuance date, the group duty roster, and the rest of the information accordingly. Click on the download button for the user information to be downloaded from the USB file to the Ingress software. As you can see, the number of users and the number of fingerprints that are downloaded from the USB file to the software are displayed. You can as well write the user information from the Ingress software to the pen drive. To use this user information from the pen drive to upload to your FingerTech terminals. To do so, click on the Export User to USB. Select the users that you want to upload to the terminal. Select the path of the pen drive file that you want to export the file to. Select the information of the users that you want to upload to the pen drive. Select the type of terminal that you are using, so the file will be created in the right way inside the pen drive. Click on the Export button for the process to be completed. Once the process completed message is displayed, a user file will be exported to your USB pen drive for import of user information to your FingerTech terminals. You can update the information of the users in Ingress software in a batch. To batch update the Ingress user information, click on Batch Update User. Select the users that you want to update the information for. Select the information that you want to upload for the users. You can select a new department for a group of users. You can change their issuance or expiry date. You can select to suspend a group of users at the same time. You can change their access group, their group duty roster, designation, their privilege in the terminals, their gender, the pay type, and the pay rate. Once you have selected the options that you want to update for the users, click on Save and wait for the process to be completed. You can as well search the user information and find the information by clicking on the search button. You can enter any of the following to find the user info. For example, you can enter the user ID and click on the search button, so the software will direct you to the user profile. You have now completed the Ingress training on user management system. Please proceed to the next video on access level setup, door setup, and monitoring chapters by Ingress software. Thank you.